Good morning, students. We are going through the poem The Invention of Shoes by Rabindranath Tagore. Yesterday, you came to know about the selfish behavior of the king Hobu, his warning given to his minister Gobu, and the flattery done by him by saying that if the king doesn't keep his feet down the earth, then how will they get the holy soil? Let's proceed ahead. After listening this, King Hobu was pleased, but said that it's a good point, but first of all, drive out the dust, then you think about your theory of holy soil. If you can't give that, why do I give so much fat salary to you all? Why have I kept so many scientists and ministers with big titles as my pet? Don't show me any excuse, but do that what has to be done at first. So there was no way but to call all intelligent and wise pundits from everywhere. After lots of thought, they said, if there is no soil, then how will crops be produced on earth? King Hobu got irritated and said, if that can't be done, then what is the use of so many pundits? After all discussions and brainstorming, millions of broom were purchased. The great campaign and movement of sweeping began. The whole kingdom, even the sun, also got covered with dust. Everyone started coughing and felt difficult to open eyes. And the king was covered by dust from top to bottom. Now the water department came into action with 2 million water carriers. Water of lakes and ponds were used to settle dust. Entire land was flooded with water. Water creatures were dying in shortage of water. Land creatures were trying to move by swimming. All activities became impossible. People were suffering from many problems. King Hobu again got irritated with the situation, and all the great scholars were called and discussions started again. Some gave the idea to cover the ground by mats or carpets. Some said that king should remain indoors to avoid soiling his feet. King said, although it's a brilliant idea, but if I remain indoors, then law and order of the kingdom will also collapse. Next suggestion was to cover entire earth with leather. In this way, it will be a great glory for the king permanently. Everyone appreciated, and a suitable artisan of leather was the need of the time. So all ran in every direction to find a suitable leatherman. But neither a good leatherman nor enough leather was available. Lastly, the head of leatherman appeared. An old man with a smile said to the king, if you permit, I can suggest you an idea. If you kindly cover your legs, then there is no need to cover the entire earth. King got surprised. Everyone considered the leather man stupid and asked him to put him in jail. By that time, the old man, that is the leather man, sitting near the king, measured, cut, and stitched a pair of shoes for the feet of the king. So, from that day, the culture of shoes started. Not only king's feet were saved, but also the entire earth was saved from getting covered. Hope you must have understood the poetry. Have a good day. Thank you.